This camper van is situated with heat and air conditioning. In order to use your furnace, you're going to be using this square box here. This controls the heat to the camper van. It also is your source of hot water. What you're going to do is you're going to turn this on here and give it a second, and it's going to show you this setting here. It shows you the current temperature in the van. What you want to do is hit the menu button. This top section up through here is when the furnace will kick on if it drops below a certain temperature. Currently set at 62. Let's say it's 50 degrees outside, the camper van drops below 62 degrees, the furnace is automatically going to kick on. Now the furnace is situated directly below the couch. In order to get the heat to blow out, what you need to do is you need to either turn this fan on high or low, and you'll hear the fan kick on. It's going to start to blow out the heat at the bottom of the camper van. This has to be on when the heat is going. Now, the other thing it controls is your hot water heater. So make sure as soon as you turn this on, it automatically starts to heat the hot water. If you are connected to electricity, you can turn this bottom part off. And what that does is it now uses electricity to heat up the furnace and the hot water. But if you're off-road, if you're traveling, make sure that this is on. What this is going to use is a propane. You don't want to drain the batteries of any extra energy you don't need to use. So we usually leave this on at all times because you're usually not going to run out of propane. Now, the fan does not need to be on for the hot water heater, but it always has to be on for the heater. When we talk about air conditioning, this unit over here is air conditioning. What you're going to do is you're going to hit mode, and can you see that? And that's when it turns off. You're going to push it until that's just the fan, until the snowflake. This tells you how cold you want the camper van to get. Once this gets turned on, it's going to start to kick on the air conditioning unit up here. This is going to start to blow the cold air out. You will hear this kick on, the fan will blow. You don't need to worry about the fan here. When this gets kicked on, you can leave this on for as long as you want, and it will try to get the entire camper van down to this temperature. But it's very important, in order for it to kick on, you need to make sure, when you look here, the inverter is on. If you turn the inverter off, even though the battery's on, it will not run. So it's very crucial. Inverters on for the air conditioning, does not matter about the furnace. Now, when you go here and you're done using it, you're going to push mode. It's going to show the heat. It has nothing to do with furnace. Go to the next one and it will automatically turn it off.